everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Invite your friends and family over for a fun and festive gathering with this gorgeous three-tier wooden cupcake stand by QIELSER. It's a sturdy and stylish serving tray made of wood with three tiers to display cupcakes, cookies, desserts, or even snacks. I love that it works for so many occasions like tea parties, weddings, or even just a farmhouse style kitchen decor. The design is simple but elegant, and the wood gives it a warm rustic look. It's super easy to assemble and take apart for storage, which makes it super convenient. And because of its size, it can hold a good amount of treats without taking up too much table space, making it perfect for buffets and dessert tables. Overall, this three-tier wooden cupcake stand by QIELSER, it's affordable, versatile, and adds a really nice touch to any gathering or kitchen. And that's my point of view.